So this is my new microphone. I'm so excited to try this out. So this is a studio microphone, unidirectional studio microphone with excellent production for voice and music recording. So nice. This is a wireless earbuds or earphones. So this is the power bank, if I'm not mistaken. You just have to open it here. We have here the adapter, and these are the earbuds or the earphones. Look at these, they are so tiny. Cool. So when you have to charge it, just have to put it like that, and it automatically charges. It's so handy. So this one is a wireless earbuds with a power bank. This is a portable and lightweight with on-the-go charging case, designed specially for sports. Fit the shape of your ear perfectly and provides maximum stability. Built-in microphone for hands-free calls. That's cool. Rechargeable storage case charges your earbuds even when you're on the go. With digital display. That's cool. That's nice. Well, this one is a pulse oximeter. I don't know what that means. It's my husband who actually got this one. Well, I don't know what is this. I guess it is the one that you put right like that, if I'm not mistaken. Finger oximeter. What the heck is a fingertip oximeter? I don't know. I don't even know how this works. No, I don't know what is this. I don't even know why my husband got this one. I don't think it's working. I bought this from my husband. This is a quick dry towel. This is a microfiber towel. Lately, he is actually into cycling after work, so this is gonna be perfect. Next. Also, these are for my baking. So this is particularly for fondant. So I actually have most of these already, but I needed this one. I am planning to make a cake for my husband which needs this one because I am planning to make him a particular fondant cake. I actually like that it's colorful. Next. So this is still for my baking. Look. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Anniversary. Best wishes. Next. These are molette. 80 pieces of the one that you use when clipping the clothes when you hang it. Oh, I didn't know that it's called clothes pegs actually.
I know. We usually just call this clips, hanging clips, I guess. Now I know that it's actually called clothes pegs. Oh wow, yeah. We actually needed one, like urgently needed one. The old one that we got is already ruined, so we actually needed one. Ta-da! This is so nice. You know that feeling when you have to hang the underwears and you have to hang them one by one using a clip. So I would always say that we definitely need one like this. So this is gonna be perfect. It's not for me. This is so nice. Whoa, this is a surprise for you. Wow. This is Elsa. Your belly. So nice. Did you choose this?
Yes.
You want to try it? Give me here. So cute. So nice. Yeah.
Wow.
There's a patient too.
Mm-hmm.
Sono tosse. Le scuole.
Do you like that?